One of King Arthur's soul shards has been embedded in the suffering Fisher King, the Lord of the Wasteland. I must defeat him, but his castle is too heavily guarded. Luckily, Lady Guinevere has managed to lure him out and set up a meeting with him in a ruined castle. That will be the place where I strike.
Finally, Sir Mordred. The Fisher King is near.
How did you lure him here?
This place is a mirror image of Britannia, like everything else in Avalon. These are the ruins of the castle where I met my Arthur.
Now your romance shall end here. How poetic.
This creature is still obsessed with me. It remembers this place, just as I do. I knew it would not reject my invitation.
Hide and wait. This is our best chance.
My queen. So you did remember this castle?
The mirror image of the place where you met. It's all in ruins now. Everything dies here.
Who are you, really? What do you want?
We were always meant to rule together, even in the other world.
In the domain of the Holy Grail. But you must be cleansed of your tainted, seedy heritage.
Enough, you lovebirds.
I fight for honor.
Your command.
The Lord is my witness.
The Lord is my witness.
Blessings.
Make up your mind.
Time to feed the ravens.
I fight for honor. Charge.
Your command.
fight for honor.
None can stand in my way.
No mercy for the wicked.
Sinners shall bleed.
What are we waiting for?
Your command.
At your service, my lord.
I serve the Lord. The Lord guides my hand.
At your service, my lord.
None can stand in my way.
Ready.
For king and country.
What?
I fight for honor.
What are we waiting for?
I serve the Lord.
At your service, my lord. For the round table.
Enough to kill me.
Your command?
Blessings.
Your orders?
I fight for honor.
Blessings.
Kneel before your king. I can take them all. For my Camelot.
Your orders.
That was all.
Wait. Something is happening.
I knew it. These blasted shards and their foul magic.
Kill him!
No mercy for the wicked.
No mercy for the wicked.
I can take them all. Prepare to die.
It's not the shard. He has the power of the grave. He is invincible. We can't defeat him.
So what now?
Leave this to me. Run! You survived. Good. The cursed king cannot be killed yet. I bought you some time. Use it wisely and leave this place for good. You are the champion of the lady, and this is your quest, not mine. And neither of us could kill that thing anyway. He is the Fisher King, and kings travel with their armies. These soldiers are still here. You need to sneak through their camp. Always so rash. A frontal charge would be fatal. I will guide you through. Just follow my lead. This way. Come, I'm waiting for you.
He reminds me of someone I knew.
The bridge. What happened? Who are you? I don't know you. Are you with us or against us? If you are with us, then tell me the secret word. What is it?
The Lord is my witness.
At your service, my lord.
I serve the Lord.
Kneel before your king.
Make up your mind.
No mercy for the wicked.
For king and country.
Your command.
Your command?
None can stand in my way.
Make up your mind.
I take them all.
Your orders?
Blessings.
Kneel before your king.
I fight for honor.
Blessings. The Lord guides my hand. We have all sinned.
You can rest here and dress your wounds. This place is cleansed from the lost. Why wouldn't they be? The land is sick, and they are the maggots. Careful with the ruins. These monsters are swarming inside the buildings. This way. Come, I'm waiting for you.
Everyone slept well?
By God.
I thought the king used the Grail to keep himself alive. But what if it's the other way around? What if he simply cannot die?
Halt! In the name of the king, who are you? You must be the new royal guards then. Then tell me the password. Me? Ah, I see. Is this a threat or an offer? Your lives for mine. A single yell from me and 100 soldiers will come running. Would you spare my life if I told you the password? The password is the Holy Grail. We had a deal, right? Who is there? Stop! Prove it and tell me the password. Thank you. Sorry, I had to make sure.
Easy there. I fight for honor.
Sinners shall bleed.
The Lord is my witness.
I can take them all. Taste my blade. Your head is mine.
Your command?
I serve the Lord.
I serve the Lord.
None can stand in my way.
Charge!
At your service, my lord. Your orders? We fought with honor, brothers.
Garbage, or real treasure this time. What's the point of resting when I'm already dead?
A prize for the blood and sweat.
I was wrong. This is the shortest way, but far from the best. There are too many soldiers around here. In small matters, yes. Soldiers, guard posts, insignificant details. We need to find another path. They are people like you, not monsters. Not that I would know what you are. Maybe both. You did, but I am a hermit. I give guidance and tend to people. I am not a killer. Who said that? I will help you along your journey when you allow me. Now I will show you another pathway. This way. Come, I'm waiting for you.
That old man is truly annoying, but he knows Avalon better than any of us.
And here we are. Use this path behind me. There will be guards, but you can convince them to let you pass. This way. Come, I'm waiting for you.
Halt. No one is allowed to enter. Put down your arms. I'm warning you. What?
Power and glory.
Your orders?
Sinners shall bleed.
None can stand in my way. Your head is mine.
At your service, my lord. For Camelot.
Make up your mind.
Blessings.
For king and country. We stood our ground proudly.
A place to heal or mend armor.
Easy there.
Deliver us.
Your command?
None can stand in my way.
At your service, my lord.
Sinners shall bleed. Defend yourself. The Lord guides my hand. Defend yourself.
Blessings.
No mercy for the wicked.
I fight for honor.
None can can stand in my way.
Your orders?
Power and glory.
Blessings.
Kneel.
What took you so long? I thought I'm the only one lost in time. This is the last camp you need to get through. It will be a challenge. You are facing a tough battle. Of course I have. I have always been the man of wits among men of arms. The lost ones seem more vigilant here. Move close to the ruins and they will come. You may turn them against the guards. My task is done here, Mordred. Leave this cursed place and keep Lady Guinevere alive. We may meet again, probably sooner than you think.
We all could use some rest.
No mercy for the wicked.
Sinners shall bleed.
The Lord is my witness.
I fight for honor.
Blessings.
None can stand in my way.
Blessings.
For my Camelot. Prepare to die.
Power and glory.
Your command?
Blessings.
I serve the Lord.
None can stand in my way.
For king and country.
I serve the Lord.
Sinners shall bleed.
Kneel before your king. Prepare to die.
Your orders?
Your command?
Blessings.
The Lord is my witness.
For my Camelot. Cut into size.
For king and country.
I serve the Lord.
Blessings.
For my Camelot.
Your orders?
Blessings. Blessings.
Kneel before your king.
Sinners shall bleed. The Lord is my witness.
Blessings. Down with the vileness.
I serve the Lord.
Blessings.
At your service, my lord.
Sinners shall bleed.
None can stand in my way.
For king and country.
For my Camelot.
Ready.
The Lord is my witness.
For my Camelot.
The Lord is my witness.
At your service, my lord. Rise and shine, noble knights.
Let's have a look.
So, Mordred, this is the second time you have saved my life. Maybe Avalon did change you. We have more in common than we thought. I am sure that neither of us would give up now. I know how to kill the Monster King, and I'm ready to assist you. We need something powerful enough to break the magic of the Grail. Something stronger than Arthur. Something that can focus the power of the Lady of the Lake into a single blow. The Excalibur was there, in the heart of Avalon, when the enchantresses gathered to revive Arthur, when the nightmare began. No, you don't. The lady realized too late that something was wrong, and something unexpected was happening to Arthur. But by then, she knew she couldn't win there. I am not the lady's servant, but her champion. Still, I couldn't defeat the Knight of Midnight who was born there, but I was able to leave and fight another day. Before the final clash, the lady ordered me to return to my castle and hide the Excalibur. Hide it from my Arthur. I felt ashamed, but that was my part of the battle. The sword is broken, useless. I don't even know where it is now. I would have been the first to suffer torment at the hands of the Fisher King. I asked Sir Percival to hide it somewhere safe. He was the guardian of the Holy Grail at Castle Corbinic. When the Fisher King took the castle, Sir Percival was exiled. No one knows where he is now.